Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the template for the recruiter bot. I will just get the link from the README file and click enter in the address bar in your browser, and then it will show you this page right here. So I'm going to remove myself from screen and I'll show you how to do it. Hi, in this video I will show you how you can install your template in your ManyChat account. It's really easy, pretty straightforward, so without further ado, let's continue. Once you click the link in your README file, you will see this page in your browser, and what you have to do is just click install at the bottom here, and once you have done that, you will see this page with a couple of links to pages you manage or which are in your account. As you can see, I blurred it out a little bit to protect the privacy of my other clients, but it will make sense. This is the one for this account. You don't see the name now, but I'll click install and it will all be clear. So that's what happens when you click install. You get to this page, and this is a new feature by ManyChat which allows you to override certain custom user fields. If you already have these other fields that you want to merge with the new ones, you can just enter that here. But of course we won't do that. First of all, this is a new template on a pretty new account, so there's not really any custom user field that you want to merge. And secondly, our custom user fields all have the recruit underscore prefix in order to be written to the correct user fields, because we're going to read them from our database later. So you can just leave all these values as they are and just click install now, and that will take a couple of seconds, as you can see, and then this template is done. It will ask you for a few values. You can leave those empty right now and continue reading the README file, or if you already know all these values, you can fill them in right now. This one is, well, just a date, let's say May 21st, the 21st of May, something like that. Next, this is actually from the old non-WebView version, but it's, let's say it's 10 questions. And this is the WebView URL from BotProfit, where you have all the questions on one page. You can read more about that in the README file as well. There's also a video which will explain you how to do it. So we're going to leave that empty for now. And as you can see, it is all done now. You get a summary of what you just filled in, and that concludes the installation of the templates, basically. As you can see, there is this folder right here, right now, which is the template, and all the information is right inside. So there you have it. If you go through the README file, you will see all these values that you have to change in order for this to work properly. Like, for example, the URL right here. This should obviously reflect your own server installation. So this concludes this video. Please continue with the README file, and if there's any question, please let me know.